Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to make a personal portfolio using HTML and CSS only. It is very useful for your semester project. Here you can see that the index.html and style.css for this portfolio website. Let's open the index in live server. If you need this code, then I will give this file in description below. You can download it from there. Here you can see this website, guys. It is very simple and easy website using HTML and CSS. You can see that navbar, there is a hover in every home. About me, education, skills, contact, and there is link in every navbar. Now here there is a profile. And there are some details about the person and his educations and skills, etc. You can see that there are some icons which links with Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And here you can see that Hire Me button which links with Contact Me section. And there is also a Download CV button. From here there is code for this website. So guys, if you like this website, then you can easily download the source code for this website in description below. I will give the code for you guys. If you really love this video, so please guys like and subscribe the channel for new videos like this. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you support me, I will upload more videos for you guys, so please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys for your support. Keep supporting. Thank you guys, so I will be back with another interesting videos for you guys. For today that's it guys, and keep loving and supporting.